All right, little red light on the go. You need one of these for sure on the go. Taking flights, a lot, traveling. Right now I'm using it for my knee. Warms up the knee, lets you do a lot of reflection, get blood flow circulating to that area. Especially coming out the flight, you're gonna be feeling a little jet lag, leg gonna be sore. So just take the red light, rub it around all the areas you're sore and you'll be good. I definitely need this. I know my mom, she has back problems. I know a lot of, people has back problems. So it'll be best because you don't have to stand up. You can just wrap it around, go to sleep, wake up, you'll be good. And it's real light. And it vibrates also. Oh, a lot of people gonna love the massage. Right here we got the massage, the vibration. On the outside we got the red light. This is the temperature to tell you how hot do you want the red light to go. This is the timing of it from 10, 20 to 30 minutes. Usually me, 30 minutes tops. And I do it after massages just to get the muscles, get the blood flowing. Your body just activate fast and you're not really sore the next day. This is actually gonna be a good help because I get a lot of Mac massages. To be in this business, you gotta come up with a lot of things people don't know about. This is key. Red light hat. And this is for hair growth, they say. You actually do need red light when you're sitting down. That's why you put the lights on. You need it on your face. Also, buttons right here. Find it easy, quick, and just tap it off. Yeah, you can swag how you want to. Boom. You feel me? Everybody gonna know what you got on, you feel me?